Alright, here's a quick little chimney. I don't even think this is what I'm supposed to be looking at, something on the back, but this caught my eye. I want to do a real quick video why I don't like tar. If you're used to the channel, you know I hate and despise tar on a roof, at least in these kind of applications. It's not good. If you're new to the channel, I don't like tar because it just looks bad, it gets dry, it's brittle, and cracks. You can see what's going on, but more importantly, why was this roofed like this? This piece of flashing was obviously salvaged and reused and left up and put the shingles under it. It looked like they had it pinned down and just caulking it. Totally the wrong way to do this. If you're going to do your roof, your chimney, the flashing needs to go up higher on the wall or on the back of the chimney. More importantly, up higher under the shingles. Under the shingles, so the water will shed onto and then divert off to the side. Furthermore, you don't put step flash on top of your shingles and then smear tar on it. This is probably a big issue. They probably don't even realize it. It's probably running down in between a wall somewhere, but that's not good. Chimney itself has seen better days. Anyway, just a quick video about tar. Sealing chimneys and tar to flash a chimney, not a fan of it. If you're used to the channel, you know I hate it. Anyway, catch you on the next one.